Fed's Powell sends his strongest signal yet. The cuts are coming. It's Monday, the 25th of August, and this is what you need to know. Fed Chair Jerome Powell seems like he's ready to make a big change. At the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium on Friday, Powell signalled that he was open to the idea of lowering interest rates and signalled that he was more concerned about labour than inflation. It's a big turnaround for Powell, who has resisted pressure from President Trump, who's wanted to cut interest rates for months. Markets reacted positively, with traders now seeing an 84% chance of a cut next month. There was plenty more monetary policy talk from different central banks at Jackson Hole. Bank of England Governor Bailey said that the UK is facing an acute challenge to raising growth due to weak labour participation. Meanwhile, ECB's Lagarde said that Europe's labour market has proved surprisingly resilient, although it is difficult to say whether it will persist. Reuters sources reported on Saturday that the ECB may resume talks of interest rate cuts after a pause in September. The next test for the stock market comes on Wednesday as Nvidia releases its quarterly earnings after the bell. Traders are hoping it can soothe fears over AI spending and confirm that the stock market's latest rally isn't just a tech bubble. Nvidia's mega-cap customers have mostly reported solid earnings earlier in the season, encouraging for the chipmaker's outlook and results. Our number of the day is $84 billion. That's the amount of long-term liquidity that China has injected into its financial system this month, the most since January. The PBOC is looking to ease pressure on the bond market and ensure adequate funding for the flailing economy. Chinese property stocks jumped overnight on expectations of more stimulus to prop up the nation's slumping property market. And our stock of the day is Spotify. The Financial Times reported the company will be raising prices as it invests in new features and aims for 1 billion users. The news is said to be welcomed by investors, keen for the company to focus on profitability. Earlier this month, Spotify said that monthly prices for premium subscribers will increase, sending its shares up by almost 10%. And that's what you need to know this morning.